Hello gorgeous, welcome back to the channel, and if it's your first time here, hiya, I'm Paul, my husband Jason's at work, but together we are those vegan guys, and this is unpacking another Ocado shop and taking you through it, because you know, it's something to do, innit? So I've just had an Ocado shop delivered, and I'm going to take you through everything as I unpack it before I put it away. This shop was 60 something pounds, and today there are no alternatives, which is brilliant, because sometimes they give you alternatives and they're not necessarily always suitable. Anyway, let's get on with the shop, shall we? So for the freezer, I've got 3 packets of these, the Linda McCartney red onion and rosemary sausages, which are quite lovely, and they're often used, I'm sure these have got like hardly any points with Slimming World. I don't do Slimming World, but so I've got 3 of them because they were on an offer, 3 for 2 I think. I also got a packet of the Linda McCartney Lincolnshire style sausages. If you've never had them, they are gorgeous, really tasty. So that's all for the freezer. 2 this isn't products, 2 of these. So we've got the this isn't chicken thighs, which we often have with what we call there's a famous chicken rice meal that you can get all over all over Japan, and I should imagine a lot of the other eastern countries, where it's just rice and vegetables and chicken. So I use these, I put them in the air fryer, crisp them up, and then slice them thinly on top of the rice. Absolutely gorgeous. And then we've got this isn't chicken pieces, which I recently used in Thai green curry. That will become a little bit clearer in a moment. So I've got them 2. Got this lovely hummus, which is beetroot and horseradish. It's lovely actually. It could bear a bit more horseradish, but it's good. It's really tasty, and we'll use that for a Greek style meal with falafel and couscous and salad. Edamame beans, one of our absolute favourite sides. Just really good, high protein, delicious, got a lovely bite to them. If you've never had edamame beans, I think they're soya beans before they become soya beans, I believe. If that's wrong, let me know down there in the comments, but don't be snotty about it. Right, that's 1 bag. Oh, I bought us a treat here. I love these. The Spanish lemon cheesecake desserts. Absolutely stunning. So I think they were cheaper than they normally would be. Our favourite spread. Ian, I tell you what, I can't believe it's not butter. It's good stuff. We use this quite a lot. Oh, I got another hummus as well, an Ocado one, Moroccan inspired hummus from Ocado, clearly marked vegan. Again, just you know, we haven't tried this one, but I've had other Moroccan inspired hummuses and they've been lovely, so I thought I'd give this one a try. And why not? Doesn't have a use by date on it, which is weird. Anyway, Mediterranean falafels, by gosh, they're lovely. They're a fantastic addendum to a Greek style meal. Whack them in the air fryer for a few minutes so they go crispy on the outside. Gorgeous. Oh, I got the M&S potato salad, because you can get M&S products through Ocado, and unfortunately M&S are one of the only companies that do a vegan potato salad. Other companies have done them and then just stopped doing them, which I just think is a real shame, you know. Good stuff. And I got some naked tempeh. I got this on our last Ocado order as well, and we had it with like a Spanish style meal with charred cabbage, with tahini, lemon drizzle, and a red onion and chorizo sausage, or red pepper and chorizo sausage from Linda McCartney. All bits, and it was okay, but this stuff's really good for you, so I'm trying to get more into it. So there you go. There's that. That's another bag empty. If you didn't know, by the way, most of Seabrook's crisps are clearly marked vegan. Most of them. I think it's only the cheese and onion ones that aren't. So, you know, worth knowing. We love a crisp. Who don't love a crisp? For a snack or wherever. Right. I also got 4 tins. I think these were only 42p, and I thought, well, I'll give them a try. Beans, just baked beans, really. And you can get cheaper in supermarkets, but I was online, I was doing an order, so I thought, well, I'll try them. So I got 4 of them. For we do like a bean in this house. I'll tell you what I've not had for ages, actually. Classic, simple beans on toast. Because I'm always like, oh, let's do something fancy for dinner, or I try. That's my aim in life. But the simplicity of beans on toast, we would, more than likely, if we were going to have beans on toast as a meal, it would be a lunch, not a dinner. So there's that. And then I got some of our favourite mushy peas, which are Bachelors. Although I bought some, I think they're only 19p from Morrison's. I haven't tried them yet, but these will go at the back of the mushy pea line in the cupboard. I have, you can see, I have lines of things, so they'll go at the back. These will go at the back now, and I will end up, no doubt, trying the Morrison's ones, and I'll let you know what they're like. So I've got 3 of these. The Thai green curry blue dragon paste. Fantastic, because it's just an individual portion, so you can start frying up your veg bits. Last time I did courgette, mushroom and onion with chicken style pieces. Just 1 of these and a tin of coconut milk, and you've got a green curry. I got 3 because I wanted to make sure that I had them in the cupboard, because they're lovely. Oh, I got 4 tins of mushy peas. 2 more there. Okay. I got 6 of these. Mentioned these before. They are a fantastic way to drink more water. When we have our dinner at night, we have a glass of water in one of these, which is an old jam jar from Sainsbury's. we use them as beakers. And I also fill this up, which is a recycled glass carafe that I got from Amazon. So we have a full glass with a squirt, and we have this with a squirt as well to top up. We have it with our dinner, so it means we're drinking more water. But the Robinson's Focus is absolutely gorgeous. Lemon, lime and ginseng. Beautiful stuff. So I've got 6 of them. I'm just going to have a sip of my coffee. Make myself a coffee. Lovely. 6 of them. Six will last us a few weeks. And then finally, now, I don't remember ordering these, I really don't. Szechuan style Kung Pao chicken stir fry sauce. Clearly marked vegetarian and vegan. Lee Kung Ki. I honestly do not remember putting these on my order, but they are clearly marked vegan, so I'm like, meh, meh. I'll use them for summer. 2 of them. And finally, a packet of the Deli Kitchen K-Deli sliced focaccia, which we have when we have our Greek style meal. We have these slightly warmed in the toaster, and they're a fantastic vessel for hummus and broken up falafel and couscous and all your bits. You know, all bits. So that, let me get all my bags in one bag. Get all my bags in one bag, because next time I have an Ocado order, next time they come, they'll ask me if I've got any bags. And if Isis, our cat, who is bag obsessed, hasn't filled them with cat fur, I will return these. So yeah, quite a few bits, quite a few meals will be made from all of this. I shall crouch down like this so you can see me properly. Hi! I haven't looked in my face for ages, have you? I bet you missed it. I know. So once again, I say, you know, it's well worth giving Ocado a try if you haven't yet. And I will get all of this put away now in its designated places. And here's another little vlog for the channel. Thank you for unpacking an Ocado shop with me. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please consider giving the video a thumbs up. Give us a comment down there. Have you tried Ocado? Have you tried it once, didn't like it? Have you never tried it and you're intending to? You try it regularly and there are certain things you always buy. These kind of comments help other people and of course really help the channel. So if you could, thumbs up, comment, hype, maybe share with somebody. We will see you again very soon, and until then, please be excellent to yourselves and each other. Bye loves!